Steven, can you read this question? I just need to let my dog out of the room.
Yeah. So when creating content hubs, do you prefer to use a pillar page as informational blog posts or a category page where cluster pages are listed? It's a good question. So I've done both, and I think that it really comes down to what sort of experience you want to deliver. So back in the day, I would create a hub page and it would just be pretty much like a library bank of links, and that was it. But I think that as SEO evolves and user experience is really taken into consideration, you want to create a page that allows that customer journey to go from start to finish. And so what I mean by that is it probably wouldn't use just a straight up informational blog post because people are still going to have to read all of the content in between. So kind of the best workaround, or what I would say is kind of the best middle ground for that, is to create a page where the sections of the category hubs and those can kind of be sectioned out into various stages of that page. So if you walk through your customer journey, it might start with what is a XYZ and how does it work? And then the next section is alternatives or types of, and then it goes down into how to use. And so as you work through this page, you learn more about it, and people can kind of come back to that page to be the one spot, one shop, destination for all of the content you have. Because that's really the name of the game in SEO, is how do you create topical authority around a given topic so that people never have to leave your site. So keep that in mind when creating hub pages, and just kind of, be logical and put yourself in their perspective.